Budget bathroom makeover. Transform your space with DIY magic. A budget-friendly DIY bathroom remodel can transform your space without emptying your wallet. Embracing creativity and resourcefulness, you can achieve a stunning makeover that reflects your unique style and meets your functional needs. Setting realistic goals is crucial for a successful bathroom makeover. Clearly define your vision and prioritize essential changes. This ensures you stay focused, manage time effectively, and avoid unnecessary expenses. Assessing your current bathroom layout helps identify strengths and weaknesses. Consider storage needs, fixture placements, and traffic flow. Understanding these elements lays a solid foundation for making informed design decisions. Crafting a budget plan is key to avoiding financial surprises. Outline all anticipated costs, including materials, tools, and potential professional help. Sticking to this plan keeps the project financially manageable and stress-free. Essential tools and materials are vital for DIY projects. Invest in high-quality basics like a drill, saw, and measuring tape. This ensures efficiency and accuracy, making your remodeling process smoother and more enjoyable. Sourcing affordable and high-quality materials is crucial for a budget-friendly bathroom remodel. Look for sales and discounts at local home improvement stores and consider online marketplaces for competitive prices and variety. Innovative DIY flooring solutions can transform your bathroom without breaking the bank. Peel and stick vinyl tiles or painted concrete are affordable options that offer durability and aesthetic appeal, suitable for any style. Painting tips and tricks can give your bathroom a fresh, updated look. Choose moisture-resistant paint for longevity and use painter's tape to create clean lines. Accent walls can add visual interest effortlessly. Installing budget-friendly and stylish tiles can elevate the look of your bathroom. Opt for ceramic or porcelain tiles, which are cost-effective and durable. Mix and match patterns for a unique, customized design. DIY vanity upgrades are a great way to enhance your bathroom's functionality and style. Consider repurposing an old dresser or adding a fresh coat of paint to an existing vanity for an affordable transformation. Transform your bathroom vanity without spending a fortune by repurposing old furniture or applying a fresh coat of paint. Swap outdated knobs for modern hardware to instantly elevate the look. Custom storage solutions can be both functional and stylish. Use reclaimed wood to build shelves or repurpose vintage crates for unique storage. Maximize space by adding organizers and dividers. Updating bathroom fixtures can be cost-effective. Look for sales or clearance items to replace outdated faucets and shower heads. Choose fixtures that blend functionality with aesthetics to enhance your space. Energy-efficient lighting can transform your bathroom ambience while reducing utility bills. Install LED bulbs or motion sensor lights for convenience. Consider stylish, budget-friendly fixtures to brighten and modernize your space. For beginners, tackling DIY plumbing projects can be straightforward with proper guidance. Start with simple tasks like fixing leaks or installing new faucets. Ensure all tools and materials are on hand before beginning. Adding personal touches with DIY decor can transform your bathroom into a unique retreat. Consider crafting custom wall art, repurposing old items, or even creating bespoke shelves to reflect your style. Before and after comparisons highlight the visual impact of your remodel. Documenting the transformation process through photos allows you to appreciate the progress and see the significant changes you've achieved with your hard work. Troubleshooting common DIY remodel issues is essential for a smooth renovation. Addressing problems like leaks, uneven tiles, or paint mishaps promptly ensures your remodel stays on track and your bathroom remains functional. Final touches, such as cleaning and polishing, bring your new bathroom to life. A thorough clean and shine make every detail pop, leaving your remodeled space looking pristine and inviting. Celebrating your DIY success is crucial. Share your journey with friends and family to inspire others. Your experience can motivate them to take on their own budget-friendly bathroom remodel projects.